All right, we are in South Florida today, and this is a 17-unit motel that is going to be converted into multifamily apartments. It's a 1954 property. Right now we're just inspecting the roof. We got a lot of areas with some ponding water, some unworkmanlike repairs. If you look down there, you can see there's a lot of pond and water here. Right now the sewer lines are being scoped. So we're going to be checking the electrical systems, flowing a lot of water, just checking the overall structure and foundation. All right, Matt with Multifamily Inspection Services, signing off.